You will just open the directly page number 98. You will be not wasting your time in turning pages and getting frustrated. Hello, I hope you are doing well, aspirants. So today I am in front of you to tell you how to make notes. It is a very always be in my mind that I'm going to prepare UPSC how I should make notes, that it should be in a proper way. Proper way means you should be comfortable in revising notes. What does it means? That it should be by your own tactics. So one of those tactics today I'm going to tell you in front of you. I'm to tell you that tactics, that how you can make a proper notes. It will be easy to study, easy to revise. And one thing more I want to tell you, that your notes should be always static plus your current part. Okay. So for that, how you can make notes? Like the major mistakes students do, that what they will do, they will just take their notebook, they will sit in the class, and whatever faculty will say, they will just keep writing and filling up the page. Okay. No, you should not do like that. First of all, when you're making a note, like suppose this is your page. Okay. This is your A4 page. No matter whether it is copy or just a page. Okay. It is just a plain page. You're in your copy. So what you should do before going into class, before that, so the first step should be, you should leave at least 2 pages. 2 pages and make them index. Okay. Index is very important. It will be so helpful when you will be revising. How you should make index? Like you are making notes of polity. Okay. First article, your first part of constitution is there, right there. Okay. Part 1. Okay. So whatever articles are there, mention them. Article 1, this page number, this page number, this page number. Okay, like that, make first index and keep writing page number on every page. Okay, and then what you can do after making index, like your index is very important. Okay, index is very important. Always make index for no matter which subject, whether it is history, whether it is anything, whether it is environment. How it will help? Suppose there is a topic which is in news. Okay, in current news. Okay, suppose that Election Commission of India. Okay, so suppose that Election Commission of India is in news. So Election Commission of India, it will be in your static notes also. So what you should do when you will be writing, suppose it is on page number 98. You're reading newspaper and you saw that something regarding is there in the news. You will just open the directly page number 98. You will be not wasting your time in turning pages and getting frustrated. Okay. This happens. You will get frustrated by turning on many notes and eventually you will not study your current affairs also. So to avoid this, you should make index. You will know that it is on page number 98. You will just directly turn the page number and you will get it. Right. So these are some smart ways to make notes and you should always follow this. Now comes that how you can mix this, your current part also and your static part also. Suppose you are making notes. In polity notes you are making, you make a notes on tribunal. Okay. So you wrote everything regarding tribunal here, whatever the things are there, like your article 323A and 323B. You wrote everything, why it is constituted, who is the member and all, everything you wrote here, right? And if I will tell you, last year only, it was in news in January 2024. Tribunal. If you will refer to current affairs, you will get to know that why it was in news. Now you will go, okay, how to add whatever amendments are there. There is no space. Here you will get stuck and you need to make separate notes for current also. No. Don't, already you have so many subjects to study. Why to keep add on that, right? So what you should do, suppose I'll tell you, okay, like leave this page, this, now it is, then how a smart student will work? In the starting only he will make an index, and before going to class, he will divide the page like this. This part he will use for static things and this for current affair. Okay. So for each and every topic, for mostly subject like polity, environment, science and tech, disaster management, international relations. Okay, these are few subjects in which you should definitely do this, and it will be so helpful. Okay, and if possible, leave some space here also. Okay, so that when you are referring to other material, okay, you are referring to some standard book, something else important is giving right here. Okay, so this, why we make notes? Notes should be always in your own terms, like this, so that you can revise it properly. There will be no frustration, and when you open it, it should be effortlessly you can revise it, right? So this is one of way to make notes, and I hope you guys got it, and please follow this, okay? And as I told you that PLUTUS IAS, we are gonna start new batches from 6th of March, morning batch, and from 7th of March, evening batch. Okay, so do registration. Registration is going on, and start your classes and be ready for 2026 examination. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching the video. And if you like the method and all, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.